Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Back up your save and executable so you can recover if a mod breaks things. Next, install the required tools, mod loader, archive extractor, and a plain text editor because you'll edit configs. Once done, verify the mod targets your exact game version. Mismatches cause crashes. Make sure file permissions allow writing. Finally, create a simple folder for incoming mods so you can test one change at a time and avoid chaos. You now install the mod itself. Extract archives into that dedicated mod folder and keep folder names intact. Then read the mod's README, follow file placement, required config edits, and recommended load order. This is where most errors hide. Once configured, use the mod manager to enable the mod and set its priority versus others. If two mods touch the same asset, change load order or apply a compatibility patch. Finally, test after each change so issues are isolated. You finish by testing. Launch the game in a clean profile and watch for crashes or visual glitches, checking logs for error lines. If the game crashes, revert to your backup immediately and reintroduce mods one by one to find the culprit. Make sure to apply official patches or newer mod versions and adjust load order or install compatibility patches when necessary. If nothing helps, restore your backup, document the issue, and then try alternative mods or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.